How to change payment method on crypto.com. So in order to change your payment method in crypto.com, all you need to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and log in into your crypto.com app. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Now from there, you need to look for the settings or profile, and then you need to go ahead and tap on it. As you click on it, find the section related to payment method or card management. This is where you can manage and update your payment method. Then if you want to add a new payment method, there should be an option to add credit or debit card or link a bank account. Follow the prompt to add the new payment method. And similarly, if you want to change or remove an existing payment method, there should be options to edit or delete the current payment information as well. Now, depending on the security measures in place, you may need to go through a verification process to ensure the new payment method is valid. After adding or updating the payment method, make sure to confirm the changes. Now, double check updated payment information and save your changes. So that is how you can change your payment method on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.